What's going on, guys? I'm back again. Yeah, as you can see, I'm about to start cleaning all the mess up off of the truck and getting everything together. Trying to clean up all these mess right here. I'm getting the truck back clean, at least for the body side, so that when I put in the wood floor, I can probably build a wood structure to go right here. I got a fridge that I gotta put up inside of here as well. But for now, this is all the old parts that I'm gonna be getting rid of and throwing away. I'm also gonna be taking off all these stuff right here and throwing all of it away. All this is getting replaced. The whole thing is getting replaced. The door panels and everything. But I'm just doing it one at a time. So stay tuned for the updates on restoring Old White. I mean, again, as you can see, we got some work to do. So I'm gonna try and put some work in today, try and get some of this stuff cleaned up, so that we could handle the situation and get it done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell. Be safe on the road.